which we didn't actually film when they were little. I think there's a couple clips, which I can post in here. But me and Abby went and got ducks one day at, what was it, Tractor Supply? Yeah. And so now we're getting rid of them. It sounds so bad. But Abby's not here to be a part of this. She's in England right now. So I thought that I would film it so that she could see. Can you close that? Well, anyway, so Abby, this vlog is for you because I really hate that you can't be here. So their names are Kiwi and Mango, but I think that we renamed them. What did we rename them?
I don't know. One got renamed Bucky Mike.
I think maybe only one got renamed. But yeah, I'll film more when we get there. Like, throw them back in the water. Oh God, Charlie.
I believe I can fly.
See how happy they are. They know how to do all that stuff.
We are fishing now, and I'm bored. I'm sitting on a Dorito bag because Charlie told me I didn't have to bring a chair. And we caught one fish, but that's all. So, that's the update of what's happening today.
Got a call. Well, I'll back up even farther. That very day, I just got brand new wheels and tires for my truck, and I had not even driven them on the road yet before one of my buddies called me and said, "Hey, I got my Jeep stuck out behind my house. Can you come get me?" And so I said, "Yeah." So I'm thinking I just got 4 brand new mud terrain tires, so I'll go pull them out, no problem. So he kind of lives down a big hill, and then you go out his driveway, and then you go down another one in this pasture field, then you go way out into the woods. It was a skinny little trail. It was way too tight for a truck. And he was in a Jeep. So I go out there and I hook up a chain to his Jeep and I yank him. I ended up not getting him out at all, but on the way back out of that mud hole, I actually managed to get myself stuck because I started to slide down towards a creek, and I hit the gas and it just dug a hole, and that's where it sat for 3 days before we got it out. Here she blows. It's stuck in there good. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna either winch it out or pull it out with Brent's Jeep. Oh, taking a different approach to it now. It's gonna try to yank me out with the winch. Oh! Yank me out with the winch. We'll see how that goes.
How do you feel?
Good.
What you making?
Nice bomb. Okay. Are you ready?
Come on.
I'm in love with you.